CBSE Biology Class 10 Chapter 16 Management of Natural Resources Part 4b. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook. Questions are in yellow color and answers are in white color. Why we have to seriously rethink about the consumption of coal and petroleum? We have to seriously think because coal and petroleum have been formed from biomass. In addition to carbon, these contain hydrogen, nitrogen and sulfur. When these are burnt, the products are carbon dioxide, water, oxides of nitrogen and oxides of sulfur. When combustion takes place in insufficient air, that is oxygen, then carbon monoxide is formed instead of carbon dioxide. Of these products, the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen and carbon monoxide are poisonous at high concentrations, and carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. How serious is the increase of greenhouse gases? The fossil fuels, coal and petroleum, is that they are huge reservoirs of carbon, and if all of this carbon is converted to carbon dioxide, then the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is going to increase, leading to intense global warming. Thus, we need to use these resources judiciously. How some simple choices can make a difference in our energy consumption patterns. Some simple choices can make a difference in our energy consumption patterns. Think over the relative advantages, disadvantages and environment friendliness of the following: taking a bus, using your personal vehicle or walking, cycling, using bulbs or fluorescent tubes in your homes, using the lift or taking the stairs, wearing an extra sweater or using a heating device, heater or cigarette on cold days. How the efficiency of our machines may also help us in the management of coal and petroleum. The management of coal and petroleum also addresses the efficiency of our machines. Fuel is most commonly used in internal combustion engines for transportation, and recent research in this field concentrates on ensuring complete combustion in these engines in order to increase efficiency and also reduce air pollution. Why we need to use the fossil fuel resources judiciously? The fossil fuels, coal and petroleum, will ultimately be exhausted. Because of this and because their combustion pollutes our environment, we need to use these resources judiciously. Why sustainable management of natural resources is a difficult task? In addressing this issue, we need to keep an open mind with regard to the interests of various stakeholders. We need to accept that people will act with their own best interest as the priority, but the realization that such selfish goals will lead to misery for a large number of people and a total destruction of our environment. Going beyond laws, rules and regulations, we need to think seriously and tailor our requirements individually and collectively so that the benefits of development reach everyone now and for all generations to come. On the basis of the issues raised in this chapter, what changes would you incorporate in your lifestyle in a move towards a sustainable use of our resources? Use bicycles instead of scooters. Use limited number of pens, pencils, colors, bags, clothes. Wherever possible, use public transport. Switch off lights, fans, AC, computer, etc. whenever left unattended. Recycle and reuse things whenever possible. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email. The email ID is given here. The question answers of this chapter will be continued in the next video.